This is the KYOCERA DuraForce Pro, and now I want to show you how to bypass the screen lock, how to bypass the pattern lock on this device. Okay, let's start. At the very beginning you need to make sure that your device has an internet connection. This can be a connection to your home Wi-Fi network, I have, or you can have a SIM card with internet access. No, this is not important. Okay, then open the google.com page. This is my start page, but you need to open this page. Afterward, you need to press your icon logo, then choose manage your Google account to open the myaccount.google.com page. At this stage, choose security on the left side of your screen. Then scroll down and choose manage devices. Afterward, on the list of all phones, all devices connected to your Google account, choose your phone, KYOCERA DuraForce Pro, and choose find device. Now enter your password to verify your personality. And press enter. Okay, now if you see consider erasing your device, you might skip next 4 steps. But if you didn't have this, you need to press first locate, then press enable secure and erase. Fine. If you press this, on your device will pops a message device located. Android device manager located this device. Fine. Now close this tab and refresh this page. Now press consider erasing your device, read attentions and choose red button. Yes, erase. And red button once more. Yes, erase. Now see on your phone will be reset. Cool. Now your phone cleared, all data from your phone cleared and your password was bypassed. If this video was helpful, like it and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.